Welcome back to Auto Info Master, where future icons meet today's innovation. And today, we're taking a closer look at a name that once defined elegance in motion, the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. For 2026, VW has brought it back with a bold, electrified twist, combining classic styling with modern tech. So, is it just nostalgia on wheels, or does it really have what it takes to stand out in today's EV market? Let's find out. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. The 2026 Karmann Ghia beautifully blends retro charm with a futuristic silhouette. The curved hood, the flowing side panels, and the coupe-like roofline all nod to the original, but everything is cleaner, sharper, and more aerodynamic. At the front, slim LED headlamps wrap into the fenders, and the illuminated VW badge sits proudly in the center. Chrome touches around the windows and flush door handles add just the right amount of vintage flair. And at the rear, a continuous, light strip gives it that modern VW signature look. It's elegant without being over-designed, exactly what a modern Ghia should be. Step inside, and the cabin tells a similar story. It's retro-inspired but full of cutting-edge features. The dashboard is clean and low, lined with soft-touch materials and subtle wood accents. A large curved OLED touchscreen dominates the center, seamlessly integrated with the digital gauge cluster. Everything from the climate to navigation responds with smooth haptic feedback. The steering wheel is compact and sporty, and the seats, wrapped in sustainable vegan leather, feel both supportive and stylish. Ambient lighting subtly flows through the cabin, and the overall atmosphere is cozy, premium, and refreshingly simple. Now let's talk about performance. This new Karmann Ghia is fully electric, built on VW's MEB platform. The standard version features a single motor at the rear, delivering 210 horsepower and instant torque, perfect for daily driving with a touch of fun. For those who want more excitement, there's a dual-motor AWD version producing up to 320 horsepower. It launches from 0 to 60 mAh in just 4.6 seconds, putting it in proper sports coupe territory. The ride is smooth yet responsive, thanks to adaptive damping and a near-perfect weight distribution. It's quick, quiet, and seriously fun to drive. As for range, the single-motor model gives you around 290 miles on a full charge, while the dual-motor variant offers about 260 miles. Fast charging is available up to 175 kilobars, which means you can juice up from 10% to 80% in just 25 minutes. That's practicality wrapped in performance. You'll also find plenty of tech and safety features on board. VW's latest travel assist system provides semi-autonomous driving on highways with adaptive cruise, lane keep, and traffic jam assist. There's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OTA updates, and driver profiles that adjust everything from seat position to ambient lighting based on who's behind the wheel. Starting at $38,000 for the base model and climbing to about $48,000. For the GT version, the 2026 Karmann Ghia offers a unique blend of style, tech, and performance in a market full of cookie-cutter EVs. It's more than just a revival, it's a reinvention. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit like, subscribe to Auto Info Master, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the future of driving. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.